or is it
No,
interesting?
no. Interesting.
Interesting. Shall I continue?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, very good for digestion and lemon is there. All our fruits and vegetables also we can prepare. Okay,
Yes.
that is one thing. This is about dinachari, what I was saying. We'll continue. Okay. So dinachari, you need to wake up early in the morning. What these days youngsters are doing, children, what they do, mobiles and all, they'll be watching one after the another, one after the another. As you go for Instagram or Facebook or whatever or WhatsApp, it goes on and on and on. So you keep on watching, you'll never know. You'll never know when time flies, half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, you'll never know. So you will sleep late. All your digestion, actually your body needs rest. You won't have given rest. So you'll be watching that and you'll be so tensed about the things happening in the world or which are not, all the wrong gossip. You won't know whether it is true or false. You just see and you just believe and you start thinking on those lines. Never do that. Always go for the main source, whether it is true or not. Any news, any clipping, what you see, you have to first check whether it is true or false. Only then forward it. Never forward any forwards. Okay.
Yes.
First recheck it and then do it. So what happens? You will be awake so much and then you can't wake up in the morning. That is how all the cycle goes wrong.
Yeah.
Here what we say is in Brahmi Muhurta. You need to wake up in Brahmi Muhurta, that is 1.5 hours before sunrise. Earlier, all these farmers and all, they wake up so early and are they not so healthy?
They are healthy from this generation.
Yes, they are healthy. That is because they wake up early and they go to the fields. They get natural oxygen, fresh oxygen. Is it not? But how about us in cities?
Polluted air.
Everything is polluted. It is again because of our own mistakes, right? But
man-made mistake.
But still, you can wake up early in the morning. At that time, at least, you will get fresh oxygen. Fresh oxygen will be there. Your mind will be calm and fresh. You can just think of all the day what you have to do. You can plan your day. Is it not? As soon as you wake up, the previously digested food should get evacuated. What happens, like kitchen waste, if you keep it in the kitchen, one day is okay. The next day, what happens?
It gets spoiled.
It gets spoiled.
Yes.
It starts smelling. Is it not?
Yes.
So, what happens? That is how we have, the same thing happens in our intestines and stomach. What happens? Okay. So you have to, like previously digested food has to be evacuated. Yes. So you should have proper motion every morning. If you don't have, something is wrong in your digestive system. So you need to see a doctor or you need to eat lot of fiber. If you are eating fiber, all the digestive system will be good. Is it boring or is it interesting?
No. Interesting.
Interesting. Shall I continue?
Yes.
Fine. So that is done. Then later, wash your mouth, face, drink some water. Water is just what your hands can hold. Not just because someone said drink lot of water. You shouldn't be doing that.
Okay. We have to consume water.
Liters and liters. Only this much of water is enough.
We have to
for
consume
our
water.
Own body. See, for my body, this much water is enough at one point of time.
Yes.
Later on, only
the
when
little amount of water. Yes.
Only when I feel thirsty, I need to drink.
Okay.
Should not drink more. Okay, drink water. Brush your teeth. Why these days our teeth are getting decayed is because we use sweet paste. Is it not? Sweet is not good for us. Earlier, our grandparents, what they used to use? Neem salt and charcoal and all.
Yes.
These days all our pastes also have neem. Does your paste have neem or
salt?
My paste has salt. All these advertisements you might be seeing these days.
Yes.
They are actually good for our teeth and we have to massage our gums. Gums are the main thing. This is not the blood circulates over there.
Yeah.
So we need to actually massage our gums. With just plain coconut oil also we can do.
Okay.
Then our teeth will be stronger. So brush our teeth, Then exercise is
He's good
only
for
good for health, but at a time we should not do more.
Yes.
We should do only exercise half of our capacity. That is
Okay.
when you start sweating.
Yes.
You should stop exercising. Don't exercise more. Recently, an actor passed away doing some gym.
Yeah. Puneet Rajkumar.
So maybe he had other problems also.
We
but,
don't know.
But the thing was, he just came out of the gym, right?
Yeah.
So maybe it was excess for his body. So always consult a physician, doctor, and only
Puneet,
start with
yes.
your gym and exercises and all that.
Okay.
Fine. After that, applying oil. When do you do? When do you apply?
Weekly once.
Weekly once?
Yeah.
Okay, good for you. Many of the people, what they say is they apply only during Yugadi or
Yeah,
during
yeah.
Diwali and all. No. Yeah. So, but now, as you said, weekly once is good.
Yes.
All the impurities in our body will be
get
brought
produced.
out. It will be brought out. Okay.
Yeah.
So after that, taking bath.
Yeah.
Summer like this hot, you just go home, take cold water
water,
bath,
yes.
drink cold water directly from the refrigerator.
Yeah. We
No.
should avoid that.
No, what you got to do is you have to
Yeah.
warm water. Warm water is always good throughout the year.
Okay.
You should use only warm water.
In summer also.
Even in summer, even in winter.
Okay.
Okay?
Hmm.
These are the wrong things we do and we get
Sick.
sick.
Yes.
Right. So, warm water, then prayer, and you have to have your soul. Okay.
Yeah.
Connect your soul with the
God.
creator. There is a creator, you agree?
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
So there is a creator, there is a judgment day. Okay?
Yeah.
So you have to always think good things. Today what I should do. So please God help me to help others. Or
Yeah.
help myself first. Take care of myself. Then within our family.
Yeah.
Okay? Then our neighbors. Then the
Then,
society as a
yes.
whole. So you have to always think
Good for
of
the society.
good for everybody. When we have negative emotions like hatred, jealousy,
Yeah.
all such things, if we have those anger, all these things will cause so many diseases. You can't be free all the day.
Yes.
Okay. So you will always have that negative emotions. If you have, you are bound to be sick.
Yeah.
So always
Think
you
positive.
should have positive.
Positive
Okay.
mind, yes.
Always think of people. That's why I told you, don't go for whatever messages you get, whatever things you get. Always think why it's happening, what it is. Huh?
Yeah.
So these days what we see, road rages, mob lynching and all this. What do you think it is? Do you think it's right?
No.
No.
Yes.
Why?
Uh,
Okay. Anyhow, see, all these things are. Is it human? Is it human? There is a law for everything.
yeah.
We are civilized, right? We are civilized. There is a law. There are police. There is a court. Everything is there.
Yeah.
Why should you take things in your own hands while going on the road or something? Somebody is hitting something. Even you start hitting, or you start recording it. Is it right?
No. It's,
No.
yeah.
So all these things, positive things we should have in our mind.
Yes.
We should have compassion towards everybody. We should have humanity.
Yes.
Only then you can.
And we have also have respect to everyone.
Yes.
Everything.
Respect everybody.
Yes.
Each one is even a plant. Plant has life.
Yeah.
Everybody. Animals, plants, and human beings.
Yeah.
Everybody you need to respect.
Yes.
You should not hurt anybody.
Yeah.
Is it not? Hmm?
Yeah. Yes.
So that way, then prayer, then have food. Food, as I told you, all these we have.
Nutrition.
We call it as Shadrasa Yukta Ahara. Shadrasa is all the 6 kinds of rasas. So
Different kinds of.
Madhura is sweet. So first you should have sweet. On the leaf, what they would serve is first sweet,
yes.
paisa.
Yes.
Then they will keep some achar.
Salt.
Achar,
Yes, yes.
huh?
Yeah.
What do you call? Pickle.
Pickle. Yes.
Then some
Mango
salt.
pickles, yes.
Then you have all this palau. In that there will be what do you call? Mirchi.
Yes.
Chilies. Then even kahi is your bitter taste. All these tastes together is food. And then last you will have
Buttermilk.
buttermilk. Good. So that is kashaya rasa. So in this way, in this krama, what we call madhura, amla, lavana, katu, tikta, kashaya. So in this krama, if you take food, it will be digested.
We have to
properly.
take food like this.
Yes.
In this way.
Yeah.
Yes.
Huh?
Okay.
So that way you have to eat, and what quantity you should. Very little salt and the thing.
Okay.
But food, the main carbohydrate, protein, and all that will be more, right?
Okay,
And then last you need to drink.
Buttermilk.
So buttermilk. So all this you will get digested easily. Is it not?
Yes.
So this way. Then you go for work.
Work, yes.
Then play. Then again sleep. Sleep minimum
7 hours.
6 hours for anybody.
Yeah.
Okay.
6 to 7 hours.
Yeah.
Yes.
6 hours is basic for everybody.
Okay.
It changes from a just born baby, it needs 22 hours.
Oh.
And as you go on aging, it reduces. Then finally, in old age, like after 60 and all that, 6 hours is enough.
Okay.
So the whole thing is called as dinachari. I think this is enough for you for today. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Thank you.
Okay. I hope you follow it.
Yes,
This is
yes.
not just for recording. ठीक है?
We will follow and we will tell
Yeah.
to our friends also.
Tell your friends,
to follow
tell your
this.
neighbors, tell your family, everybody.
Okay.
Huh? So we have our main hospital in Anandrao Circle.
Okay. Anand.
Others and all we have in different places.
Okay. Thank you, man, for the information, and we will tell our friends, relatives, and neighbors also about this. Thank you, man.
Okay, welcome. Welcome.